Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
If your washing machine is creating sounds and has excessive vibrations during the spin portion of the cycle, here are some tips. First, make sure the washer is properly leveled. Using a level, make sure the washer is leveled from front to back and side to side. In the event that the washer is not leveled, adjust the leveling feet on the bottom of the machine. Next, check that the clothes are uniformly distributed in the basket at the start of the wash. For the best performance, load items by dropping them in loose heaps evenly around the basket wall. Large items such as blankets, towels, and rugs can shift to one side during spin, creating an unbalanced load. To correct an out-of-balance load, pause the unit and evenly redistribute the items inside the basket before restarting the cycle. To help keep the load balanced, try mixing different load items to prevent tangling. Lastly, check your hoses. The vibration can travel, causing the hoses to bang against the cabinet during spin. Reroute both hoses to avoid water restriction. Cover both hoses and drain pipe with padding to reduce sound. That's it. We hope these troubleshooting tips were helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you still need service, please contact your local W service provider.